Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Sadallah with Spirit Life Workshops. The word but holds a significant power in your walk with God. Consider it how it influences your decisions when faced with a daunting calling or opportunity, like attending the Equipping Kingdom Leader Spirit Life Workshop. Do you find yourself thinking, I feel the Lord's nudge to go, but I'm overwhelmed with responsibilities right now? Or I sense that this is for me, but finances are super tight right now. Or do you respond like this with faith? I don't know how the Lord will provide the time or money, but I feel like He is calling me to go, so I will trust Him and obey. This internal dialogue serves as a litmus test for your faith in an endeavor that God puts on your heart. Do you succumb to the fear of the worldly limitations, or do you choose to trust God for His provision and equipping? I share this message not just for you, but as a reminder for myself as well. Trusting the Lord is like a muscle. It strengthens with regular exercise. Recently, somebody asked me to sell them on attending the Equipping Kingdom Leaders Spirit Life Workshop, which is scheduled May 20th to the 22nd, 2025 in Dallas, Texas. And I sought the Lord's guidance about how to respond, and He reminded me that it is not my job to convince people. He assured me that He touches the hearts of those He's calling there, and He provides the means for them to get there. Our team's responsibility is to faithfully plan and deliver what He has ordained. And He also always reminds me that just as Noah built the ark and obeyed the directions to the letter for that project, it was God that brought the animals. We prepare and He draws the attendees. As Jeremiah 29:11 promises, God has plans to prosper you and not to harm you. And He will fulfill the promises that He has for you. You just need to partner with Him so He is able to. If you feel the stirring in your heart to attend this workshop, it's because He has something significant for you related to His kingdom advancement and your part in that. Your decision to attend is between you and God. But I did want to remind you that today marks the final day to take advantage of our early bird discount, offering 10% off. The Lord knows those that He's calling there. And if you're among them, He's already tapping on your heart about it. So I encourage you to embrace a faith-filled but and respond to His prompting. You will be blessed with your obedience. And whether you're called to go to this workshop or not, I hope this litmus test lesson applies to other areas of your life so that you will learn how to trust the Lord and His prompting and His obedience. We hope to see you at the Equipping Kingdom Leaders Spirit Life Workshop, May 20th to 22nd, 2025 in Dallas, Texas. Registration can be found on the QR code link here and spiritlifeworkshops.com/upcoming-workshop. We hope to see you there.